We are about to present the futuristic road control and monitoring system, which is a plausible solution to the road transportation menace, especially in a country like India. The major fields that we have focused are the intelligent traffic light control, the piezo speed generator, the charge bunks for hybrid vehicles, traffic offender detection, and ambulance detection and paving way for it. The first module is the intelligent traffic light control. This module performs intelligent control of the traffic signal depending on the traffic density. Two intersecting one-way lanes are taken into consideration. This module consists of two sub-modules. The first one is to detect the traffic density, for which we take the help of the IR sensors. We use two IR sensors on each plane. The second submodule is to have a closed loop control over the traffic signal time with the help of the Arduino microcontroller. The lane with the green signal is called the arrival lane. The lane with the red signal is called the queuing lane. Initially, comparison of the density between the lanes are accounted for, and the denser lane is taken as the arrival lane and the other as the queuing lane. Once the signal is switched on, every time the threshold of the queuing lane is crossed, the green signal timing for the arrival lane is reduced by 20 seconds. And once the time becomes 0, the arrival lane and the queuing lane stops. This process is repeated in a continuous loop. The next module is that of the piezo speed breakers. The two covered ends of the speed breakers consist of the piezo generators. Every time the vehicle bumps over the breaker, voltage is produced. This energy being produced can be used for future purpose for the lighting of nearby streets or for the traffic system itself. The next module is that of the wireless charging of hybrid vehicles. The third module is the wireless charging of hybrid vehicles. This module utilizes the electromagnetic law of induction, wherein when flux linkage produced by one coil links to another coil, then voltage is induced in it. As you can see, when the car enters the charge bunk, the control circuitry initializes the commencement of charging. And once the charging is complete, the LED gets switched off, indicating that the battery is full. The fourth module is the traffic offender detection. This module utilizes the barcode technology. Every vehicle during its registration will have a barcode placed beneath its body. During a red signal, if a vehicle crosses the stop line, the barcode information about the offender is sent to the traffic controller's database. Therefore, suitable penalty can be given. The final module is the ambulance detection and paving way for it. The GPS offers a suitable solution to the problem of identifying the position and direction of an approaching ambulance. A basic GPS system is fixed on every ambulance. In the event of emergency, the ambulance driver must turn on his GPS and enter his present position and the destination. The GPS and the automatic traffic control system work in synchronization. When the ambulance reaches the specified radius of the signal, it sends a signal to the traffic system, which in turn affects the normal operation of the traffic system and gives a green signal in the direction of the ambulance movement. This interruption continues till the ambulance is in the specified radius of the traffic signal. The ultimate aim of the project is to provide the most ambient road transport system in terms of comfort, security, and energy conservation.